Hi guys, welcome to day 6 of this spring reboot, and today I want to start talking in this video and the next about the liver, which is underneath your right ribs. So the liver, typically in traditional Chinese medicine or in other traditions from the East, spring is associated with the liver basically, and the liver, as many other organs and other places in the body, has a symbolic association, a psychosomatic association, and some of the emotions that are stored in the liver typically are anger, frustration, or resentment, that type of energy. And so it is a good thing, since things have accumulated in the winter or any time in the year, by the way, this is also something you can do at other times, is you want to do something to support the liver so that you can give it a gentle release. So once you release those low vibration, it will make space for clarity and creativity. And it's also good to take care of the organ itself. So I'm going to show you this other Qigong exercise. Very simple. So once again, you want to plant your feet on the ground, standing. And the idea, before I demonstrate, is that you will have one hand that will be basically guided and directed towards the sky, and while the other hand will be directed towards the ground, towards Mother Earth. So we're going to do this exercise together. As for the breathing, you're going to be inhaling first, and then as you do the exercise, the movement, the stretch, that's when you will be exhaling. And please always go at your own rhythm. You have your own breath, you have your rhythmic breath, so follow this and just do the movement in the pace that feels right for you. So here I go. I'm going to go back again and show you the movement. So we start like this. We're going to inhale. And here we go. Exhaling as you stretch one hand up, one hand down. And then you're going to swap. As you do this, you inhale, and as you go into the stretch, that's when you exhale. Inhaling as you cross, exhaling as you stretch. I personally like to exhale with blowing through my mouth. It's my way of telling my body that I want to release. I'm letting go. Inhaling and exhaling. It's actually at the same time a good stretch for the body, isn't it? Don't worry too much about the exact movement and if the hand is the right position. It's really about stretching and opening and working on the liver meridian to give it a release, give it a gentle opening, basically, to release all those emotions of anger, frustration, and resentment. Enjoy this movement. Remember, it's not just in the spring. Right now is a good time to do this for the spring reboot, but we can do this any time of the year when you need it. Okay, take care. See you tomorrow.